What up, all you BAMFs? And in this one, we're going to be doing some Black Friday ideas so you can save on your next adventure. Whether you're trying to buy your gear for the first time, or you're upgrading your gear, or you're just a early holiday shopper, here's going to be some ideas for you. We all know Black Friday is notorious for saving on electronics, so this is going to come up with our first one is cameras. We're going to be doing a twofer, one for video, one for photography, and the one for video is going to be the new GoPro. Whatever GoPro you have, upgrade to the latest one that's out. The newest one that's out right now is the Hero 11 Black. I currently have the 10. That thing shoots at 5K. So whatever camera you have that's current, if it shoots 5K, stick with that. If not, you can upgrade. There's the stabilization. The GoPro camera for video underwater is amazing. So let's go to the photography side. Now we're gonna do the Olympus Tough series. I have the TG6. Well, that's the current latest model. I'll put the link to the description below to all the items. If you purchase anything, I get a little small commission, part of Amazon at no cost to you. So the Olympus TG6, that thing has all the buttons. You're gonna jump from a one button pushing on the GoPro to having several buttons. It has already some underwater presets and eventually step up to shooting raw. So that is a perfect beginner camera, which is the TG6. That's second on my list. Now let's caveat to the cameras. You need the underwater housings if you want to go beyond 33 feet. Both cameras are waterproof to 33 feet, and you would definitely need an underwater housing so you can go further than that. And I recommend the factory GoPro housing. I've bought the Amazon ones, the eBay ones, and flooded them all. The GoPro housing works the best for me. That's what I recommend because it hasn't flooded on me yet. And for the Olympus TG6, I got the red camera from the red underwater housing from Backscatter. This thing is awesome. You can get it on Amazon. I'll put it in the link below. But the housings are a must if you want to continue on beyond 33 feet. So that's going to move on to our next one. And our next one is going to be for all of you nitrox divers. An O2 analyzer. You got to analyze your own gas anyways, so might as well have your own. Don't bother anybody else. You don't want to be scrambling around on the boat looking to find out if you can dive. You don't know what percent your gas is. Get your own O2 sensor, O2 analyzer. The sensor goes bad too, so if it's bad, get a new sensor. This next one is a must for all winter diving, and that is a surfer. The surfer, I have the parka. This thing is amazing. You put it on, it keeps you warm during your surface interval, and after you can flip it inside out. It has a thin layer, so it keeps you dry. It keeps the other side dry. So when you post dive, you can put the dry side on and it keeps you warm. You can button everything up. You can use it as a changing station so no one sees your wiener or your other parts, whatever you got. It's awesome. This thing is amazing. It has a hood, keeps your neck warm, stainless steel buttons, change station. What else can you ask for? And that brings us up to our final thing that I'm going to recommend is going to be getting your own gear. So get you a full set of scuba gear. They might have a massive deal. I rock the Aqualung Rogue and everything Aqualung, so I'll put the link down below for them. Owning your own gear is essential in my eyes because no one else gets to mess with it. You get to maintain it and put it on you. It fits to you. It's made for you. It's your gear, and that's how you maintain your stuff. You don't want broken gear and you get underwater, you don't know how to work the stuff, it's just your stuff, and I highly recommend getting your own gear. So those are my Black Friday lookouts. Tell me if you like them. Hit me up down below. Let me know what you're in search for, or are you upgrading? I'm currently looking for travel packages so we can go diving. Where do you want to go? Let me know. I'll see you there. Click on one of these videos so you can go to the next adventure. See ya. Shoo.